Okay, so it's another shootout. I don't know if anybody saw the last shootout, which was between the Roland TR8 drum machine and the UF8 from SSL. Basically, who can put on the best light show? There's another couple of contenders now. I've got the SSL back again with the UC1, and I've also got the Presonus Faderport 16, which has got its own light show. So I'm going to run those and let you decide which is best, and then maybe we'll have a final shootout to see which one is the ultimate winner. I don't think anyone else is interested in this except possibly me. I think I'm just a kid. I like toys and I like flashy lights and things that go whizzy. Anyway, here we go. Let me select the correct bit here and be ready to turn this on if I can find the power. Here we go. Okay, Faderport 16 definitely got the brighter, larger, brighter lights, but the UC1 is better at tinkling lights, and it's over all too soon, isn't it, with the UC1. With the Presonus, it's actually a test mode, so that's going to go on forever, so I'll turn that off. Anyway, let me know what you think.